ഇന്ന് വളരെ മനോഹരമായിട്ട് സായാഹ്നത്തിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും ഞാൻ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഉള്ളത് ഗുരുവിൻ്റെ പരമഭക്തനും തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലെ ആർട്ട് ഓഫ് ലിവിങ്ങിൻ്റെ നയിക്കാൻ ഗുരു അനുഗ്രഹിച്ച തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ ആർട്ട് ഓഫ് ലിവിങ് ടീച്ചറുമായ ഗണേഷിയാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മളുടെ ഒപ്പം ഉള്ളത്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ അനുഭവങ്ങളും അതോടൊപ്പം നമ്മുടെ കാലടി ആശ്രമത്തിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിനുണ്ടായ അനുഭവങ്ങളും ഈ ആശ്രമത്തെ പറ്റി നമ്മളോട് പറയും. ജയ്
Jai Gurudev. My name is Vishwanath. I am Art of Living teacher also. To be frank, I am seeing you for the first time. I would like to record a few of your personal details. Moreover, you have been here 3 times in Kaladi Ashram. So, how do you feel? All the 2 occasions that you were before and now after this particular advanced meditation course you have taken. I welcome you to a session of recording this for the benefit of all Kerala. The purpose of recording this is we would like to send this to everyone. Your esteemed opinion about Art of Living, Kaladi International Thotu Ashram. Welcome you.
Jai Gurudev. First and foremost, I am telling you, this particular place is so amazing. It is not from my point of view. It's the people who have, come here from all the way from different parts of Tamil Nadu. And they, in fact, the first session we had 72, then second year, 88 last year, and also the last program here I heard. After that, the pandemic attack and no course has taken place. And again, of course, we have come here with a smaller number. But all these 3 batches, people thoroughly enjoyed it. Several factors responsible for this. One is the ambience and the aura, the sattva level. This is so high here. As we enter, we can feel the vibe. Also, the kind of the feeling that we are at home. We feel some kshetra, where we have come to the abode of place. Such a beautiful place, and coupled with that, the surroundings. Such a very calm, serene kind of an atmosphere that also adds total beauty to this one. For the residents, particularly people come and stay here for 4 days, and for them it is a home really away from home. In fact, they get much better than the treatment, the hospitality, the food and whatnot, I tell you. With all that, such a lovely hall we have, very nice acoustic effect is there. People in different parts, they sit, the clarity is very good inside when we play Gurudev's meditation and all our programs, which are very nice. So what we made it as an annual feature. Every year we make it, rain or shine, Kong of May, we make it in January, particularly coinciding the Republic Day time on 26th, where it's a public holiday. People can get leave, and for 4 days, at least 1 or 2 days, they will be able to get leave, and they can comfortably do the program without compromising their work and professional work and so on. So that is why we made it, and then batch after batch, by word of mouth, and we are really reaching out to the people. Also, I am personally interested, and particularly now Mr. Balakrishnan is going to do the course in Malayalam at Kanyakumari Vivekananda thing, where I am promoting that program. Similarly, what I want, all our teachers in Kerala should reach out this Tamil advanced course to all the Tamilians living in this area. Actually, we are all sharing Gurudev's knowledge. Someone really want to listen to the program in the native language, they will be immensely pleased. On that score, it will not take away from any of the teachers' thing. And in fact, they will come back to the your centers, and they will really work for the center. This is how we can build more and more our own centers and also our own ashram. Because it is in the last consecutively, I'm saying the 3 advanced courses, I found only one person from Kerala has taken, only one person. And having, because in Palakkad, Trichy, these are the places up to Ernakulam, there are a lot of people, and Trivandrum, many Tamilians settle down there, and people who can understand and speak Tamil. Please talk to them and send out this flyer. If they want to take, let them take it, it's okay. But I'm saying reaching out this information through our channel is really important from our side, so that it will be nice. And I have personally taken responsibility to reach out this Malayalam course which Mr. Balakrishnan is going to do the program at Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari, to all the people in Tamil Nadu. And we want all Malayalis to come and do the program. This is very nice. We want, we want to support each other, so that way we can do a lot. We can do wonders in all over, because when Guruji says Vasudeva Kutumbakam, this all starts from our own home. And if we don't support each other, who will do that, right? So therefore, I personally appeal to those teachers and other members, people at the helm of affairs in various centers, please take it up and reach out the next program, which we are planning from 30th September to 3rd October, because this year again some people have asked for it. People who registered could not join in the program. They all want to come. In addition to that, I'm sure there will be more people who come. Still, we will restrict our number to 30, so that until such time the COVID impact completely settles down. So we would like to really maintain the social distancing as Gurudev already advised and blessed us. We will continue the same way. And maybe in January, by then, all these things will be absolutely clear, when we'll have look forward to a group of 80 plus, because I see 80 plus maybe very comfortable in the hall at the moment. So with that, we can really have it. So I came to the orbit of Gurudev in 1990, and very forerunners, and I started our ashram from the scratch. This is how this all started. And I was very fortunate enough to be with Gurudev several times, many occasions. And having been in a professional life all these years, Gurudev said in 1996, you leave the job and come on a full-time basis. At that time, I told Gurudev, he said, I have 2 kids, little kids, and I can't just make it. No, everything will be taken care of. This is what Gurudev said. Everything will be taken care of, don't worry. And I came back to my office and then signed up, gave my paper, and they were all wondering, because just now we finished a conference and came. At that time, we said, you spoke so much about the next year program and so on. Now suddenly you are resigning. Tell me how much the other company is offering, whether I can match this one. I said, I'm not going to any company. I'm not going to take up any service. There's a clarion call from my master, so I'm just going to do seva. And they were all laughing. My boss was really laughing. I said, no way, come on. You are on the threshold of your career in the age where children are small. How can you just give up and go with some saintly person? I said, he's not saint, he is my guru and mentor. And he is the person for me, he is everything. And when he says something, everything is taken care of. I have unshakable faith in my master, and he will take care of. Then my boss said, after 1 week, I'll get back to you. He gave me an assignment where I was getting double of what I was getting in my company at that time. For 6 years, as Guruji rightly said, that project helped me out a lot. By then, as a lone soldier in Tamil Nadu, I moved around, and with the honorarium Guruji gave me, plus the course honorary, with all that, I tell you, I was very, very comfortable. I could take care of my children's education and save something for them. Everything was well done. And my journey continued. Today, 30 countries I traveled, and then wherever, all the courses from chairman to doorman, driver to director, millionaire to militant, resident to president, people at all levels, very well as teachers and people playing an anchor role in our organization. You all know pretty well that everyone ultimately wants peace, joy and love. And I tell you, the ambassador of peace, everything he has given, made us, empowered every one of us to be part of disseminating this beautiful knowledge to the people. And what else can be done? And we are so fortunate that way to be part of this beautiful, wonderful vision. And now it's 31 years past. And 1996 onwards, I've been a full-time teacher. Last 8 years, I've been serving in Sri Lanka. That is another amazing story. If I start, Guruji always jokingly say, we should not give mic to two people. One is politician, another one is art of living teacher. So I'm in that category. If I just go on and on, that's endlessly will go on.
Yes.
Since having been in Gurudev's thing, and he has given in abundance everything, including experiences. So I had gone through, my ego was so pulverized to the core in the last 8 years when I served them. They say the thing, iota of things you cannot be there. I said, you should really serve, that is the way. And he made us, grounded us in so much in the knowledge, soaked in that. And we feel, now I'm 68, I feel the very rich experience, I gained it through various seva projects and going through that. Every project that, I was engaged with the blessings of Gurudev, everything I took a lot of experiences, which I start sharing with more and more people, and that's exactly, I'm also here, and this is something inexplicable joy. I mean, there's no words to describe. They kind of, after every course, even the course is very small this time, 20 people registered, ultimately 12 turned up. But even the 12, I felt the 120 people before me, and then it was, the joy was overwhelming in when sharing this beautiful knowledge. So therefore, we should go on and on endlessly until, you will never be tired at all. So that's how my journey continues. I really look forward to seeing you all sometime together, and where we can interact a lot with the Gurudev's blessings and the grace that flow in our life. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Incidentally, I would like to wrap up this video saying that you are sitting in the kutir of Parama Pujya Sadguru Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji in the international in the Kaladi Totu Ashram, just near the Purna River. The kutir is just near the Purna River, and 140 Art of Living devotees purchased land here, and this is the world's first Art of Living village. Thank you very much.
So beautiful.
Thank you.